back to the channel. Today we are going to be getting some parts, I think. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video. In 3, 2, 1.
Got in here. We got a special delivery
for
and it's
lighting.
It's fragile, so
what do you reckon that is, Charlie?
an exhaust.
It looks
You sure?
like some kind of frame.
Do you don't think it's some sort of mummified leg?
No, there's no way, and also there's no way that a mummified leg would be that straight.
Well, you're right. It's maybe an exhaust. I'll let you guys open it.
I think they've wrapped about, what? About $100 worth of duct tape. I'm not kidding, that's probably about $100 worth of duct tape.
Yeah, probably.
You want to open it or want to film? You're doing a good job. Yeah, Charlie, come over here, man.
I'd probably want to open.
You want to open it as well?
Yeah.
Alright. Do you know how to use these razor blades safely?
Yeah.
That's the sharp part there. There you go, just don't cut your fingers on the razor blade. Can I open this, Charlie? You're too busy filming. Oh, say this, okay? Like this, see.
Yeah. My name like street or
Like that. Go like this, go from the side. Go from the end, across like that. Just nice and gently, don't cut your fingers. Don't have to go all the way through it. Yeah, let me do it.
I love how it went from guessing what the part was to like it may or may not be an exhaust. Wait,
There's more.
how is this an exhaust? Right.
Yeah, Charlie, you might need your hands as well, I reckon. Yeah, alright, Charlie, what do you think of this? And Jaden?
Ooh, yeah.
So it's called a Max Cobra Exhaust. You can kind of tell why it looks like a Cobra, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
And it's got the flexi hose in it, so it'll stop it from breaking the turbo mounts. Let's have a look in there. It's got a nice separator between the wastegate and the exhaust. See how it's got a really tight bend there? It's meant to tuck up really high underneath the car, and it's got a mount there as well, so that should be good. A few cobwebs in there. It's not brand new, but it hasn't been used. Grab the air blower, we'll see if we can blow all the cobwebs out of it. But look how nice the welds are on it. And all these welds, pretty good quality. Wait till you see the one that's on there at the moment. The one that's on there looks pretty rough. I think there's a whole rat's nest in there, right? Blow it out, Jade.
That's an exhaust pipe. And that's my phone.
There's two reasons why I was wanting to buy this exhaust piece. Have a look under here with the camera. Have a look how low that exhaust currently sits. So if I compare it to my torch, compared to my battery in the torch, which is like probably not even 100 mil off the ground, but that's probably 100 mil. It's hanging way too low compared to that. So it's literally like.
Well, I mean, those bumps we were going over, that was, that would have been a bit shocking.
Yeah, that's probably a bit of shot. So you can see how low that exhaust is hanging compared to my hand. Like it's getting a little bit of damage there too. So, which is why I haven't driven it much.
So we raising this up?
So the reason it's hanging so low is because those exhausts. See how this one here's got this flexi hose. So whenever the engine revs, it has a bit of flex in the exhaust, where the other one didn't have that. So I chopped it, welded in my own piece, and then where I re-welded it, I didn't get it very straight. So now it's hanging really low, and it doesn't have a mount on it. So it's hanging really low, and this one hopefully should line it straight back up nice and straight. We're pretty good at jacking up cars now, aren't we, Charlie?
Decent.
Yeah. So let's get these jacks under it and we'll get it off.
Yeah.
Sweet. Let's do it. So slowly let him down and it should just settle nicely on the ramps. Awesome. Hey, do you want to do some education for our viewers of why you have to wear earmuffs on the noises?
Well, the reason I have these earmuffs on is because I am sensitive to noise. Now, large noises will probably make me want to run because, well, they're loud noises and my ears can't handle it. So I'm wearing these things, so then when I put the blower up to high power, I won't have to cover my ears because it'd be kind of weird because how can I blow while keeping my ears covered?
At the same time. Thank you.
Alright, Leighton's going to detach this exhaust.
Yep.
So let's see what happens.
Turns out that Jaden's right, it is still too hot, and I don't know if I've got my finger or not, but that exhaust is still pretty hot. So have you got the air blower, Jaden? Grab the air blower. So what I might do is actually use the zip tie on my air blower. Little air conditioner, let it cool down for them. Alright, let's come back to this, Jaden. We'll let that cool down for a bit and go for a little break.
Alright, viewers, we will be right back after these ads or messages. And also make sure you check out the comments for any car parts that you want.
So we're here now, back at the cars. What do you want to try and pull off here today, Charlie?
Probably film. Probably door, window, guards.
Alright, do you know what tools you need?
Tools made of metal?
Metal tools?
Yeah.
Well, all tools are made out of metal.
Some of them aren't.
Alright, viewers, sounds like a plan. We'll go take off the door, take off the guards, and take off the window. Let's see if we can succeed without breaking anything.
So you go, Charlie, you're the man with the tools, so that should be all you need to get that door and window off, and Jaden will film it.
Alright,
See you guys in a
let's
sec.
You filming?
Yeah, filming.
Do not film.
Yes, I am.
Don't film. Don't film. You're wasting battery.
Hey, Lane told me to film.
Don't film. Pause it.
Alright. Leighton, please cancel out that argument.
There we go.
Is it locked? Or is it because it's missing 2 bolts? I'm actually quite surprised. Is there something else? Is there something else? Do I really have to unlock it from the other side?
Alright, how did you go here, Charlie?
Well, I guess.
Well, so it looks like it's kind of off, but also kind of stuck.
So here's the only problem.
What's the problem?
That guy.
Oh, that guy. Okay, so what you need to do, you got to hammer that out, and then it should just pop out. And you
Well,
got
no,
to
it looks like it's wider, because in there it's like...
Well, you got pretty close to man. What I might do, have you still got the bolts for that?
Yeah, they're up here.
I reckon if you can, just screw the 2 top bolts in. Just lightly, just...
Cool.
But we'll just leave one bolt in there just so it stays up, and then next time we'll come in and you've done pretty well, then we'll just get the wiring out, tap that little pin out, and then get all the glass out and done. Yeah, you can hear the thunder. Cool. Good job, guys. Alright, I think I'm just out there, Jaden. Oh no, I've left the plug gun on. Hey Charlie, I need your help. Well, I'm almost there. I've just forgot to undo the O2 sensor plug. So have a look through the top there, where the turbo is. So squeeze that top part of the button in, and then just pull the plug apart.
There you go.
Got it? Hey!
Oh, there you go.
Sweet. Oh, there you go. Alright, let's compare the two exhausts, hey? So we've got the two different exhaust pipes. So this one here there's even a crack in that too. You can see where this one's been dented. I don't know who done that. Previous owner somehow. It's actually cracked all through here too. You can actually see the big crack. It's been re-welded a few times. It's been re-welded over on this side here as well. This is all dented and squared off somehow. And I got my dodgy welding jobs here. Bit dodgy. It's like a pretty much, and because it's been hanging so low, it's already ripped all that off. And when I re-welded this end here, I welded this side and it just didn't quite line up straight. So it's that's why the exhaust was hanging so low. It's going to be interesting to see if it makes a difference in performance. But it's yeah, it's quite a much more solid flange in that silver one, or in the stainless one.
I mean, it even has a little separator.
It is a little separator, yep. So one's for the wastegate, one's for the exhaust. Which one's nicer, you reckon?
Probably this one.
I got a cool little story to tell you guys. They don't actually sell these in Australia, and I was looking for one to replace this. And I found this one, it's second-hand but never been fitted. A guy named Tim in Western Australia actually had it up on Facebook Marketplace, but all the way in Western Australia. So I bought it off him, and then he'd packed it up and shipped it here. Then he sort of must have sussed out who I was on Facebook and saw all your videos, Charlie. And he sent me a message saying, oh, that was really cool, those videos, what we're doing the car and stuff. And he wanted to donate something to your car. And so I've already sent him the money for it. So he actually just said, oh, I'll send you 30 bucks back to go towards the car. So you got an extra 30 bucks towards your project, which is pretty cool. So thanks, Tim. Shout out to Tim over in Western Australia.
Shout out.
So do you want to go write that up on the board? We got actually the extra 30 bucks. Sponsorship from Tim. I don't know what you want to call it. Donation.
That's actually pretty good.
Yeah, that's really cool. Let's
cheers, Tim.
All right, thanks, Tim. You just got a shout out.
I'm trying to wake up, but honestly, this is like actual thanks. This isn't just like I don't really care. This is I'm tired, but thank you. It's really appreciated. But yeah, well, two things appreciated: the 30 bucks and well, the exhaust.
Yeah. Thanks, Tim, for the exhaust, and thank you for helping out these guys in their project. Well, Charlie's little project, but Jaden's also jumped on to help with filming. So we've got some new tallies on the board. Woohoo! All right, well, thanks everyone for watching. Charlie in the Drift Factory, and do we say it in full Olympus or not? Nah.
Nah.
Cut. Let's try again. Thanks, Charlie, for helping me with my exhaust, and Jaden behind the camera, and
Sometimes with the exhaust.
we're a bit exhausted.
Get it.
Thanks everyone for checking in with Charlie and Jaden behind the camera and the Drift Factory and Leighton. Alright, that's enough for the outro. See you guys.
So yeah.
Bye.
See you guys next time.